Hi, I'm Shiv, and this is my hobby, collecting cubes, solving cubes. I'm a speed cuber. So I'd like to show you my cube collection. This is my first cube, and it's a 2x2. It's a VITTU 2x2, and this was the company in which the world record was created. It was a VITTU 2x2 used. And next cube I have is Diane Gohong V2. It's a Diane Gohong V2. It has a good corner cutting and stuff. This was the first speed cube which I purchased, and the next cube it's a world class speed cube. This is a Moyu Willem. This is the cube in which the 3x3 world record was created. It's a 3x3. It's a 2x2. It's a 3x3. The next version. So same like a 3x3. I have the mirrors cube. In this we play with colors, but here we play with shapes. So when you mix this, the shapes get mixed up. See, shapes are getting mixed up. Next, after 3x3, there is the 4x4, of course. This is my 4x4. It's a Shengsha 4x4. It has a good corner cutting and stuff. And even this is a speed cube. So the difference when you come to 3x3 and 4x4 is that in a 3x3, the centers don't move. You can see the centers are not moving, but in a 4x4 the centers are going to move. See, the centers will get mixed up. Next, coming to a 5x5, this is my Shengsha 5x5, and in this the centerpiece does not move. It always remains the same. In all odd numbered cubes the centerpiece remains the same, and in even numbers like the 2x2 the centers mix up. Next, I'll introduce you to other twisty puzzles which I have collected. This is called Scuby, and this is how it turns. In this, only 120 degree rotations are allowed, whereas other cubes, like in this, there is a 90 degree rotation allowed, but in this, you do the 120 degree rotation. Okay, so this is the Scuby. And then I have my gears cube. This is a gears cube. It was made by Meffords and the Rubik's by Erno Rubik's in the 90s. And this is how the gears cube turns. It's all interconnected gears. Because some of the stickers have fell off. And then I have my Pyramix. This is my Pyramix which I got just yesterday. And this is how it turns. You can see. Okay. This can be solved intuitively. You don't need to learn cool methods for that. And then I have my square one. This is a square one. This is one more of those morphing kind of puzzles. You can see how it turns. See, it turns around a single axis. Actually, it's not divided equally in the equator. See, it can be done like this. That. Okay. And then I have my Megamix. This is a Megamix. This is like, if you have solved a Rubik's Cube, why not solve a Megamix? It's next version of it. In this, there is, if you rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come back to the same place. In this, you have to rotate it 5 times, just one addition of that. So if you know the 3x3, you can solve it up to the last layer, and for the last layer, you will have to learn a new algorithm. So this is my humble cube collection, and I have some more packets in the hospital.